Planning your next trip and the same old beach destinations, Bali, Phuket, Phuket. Come on, give me a break. I've got something really interesting for you guys with a lot of natural beauty, lot of islands, lot of underwater activities like snorkeling, scuba. Excited to know where it is? Let's check it out. Hi guys, I'm finally at the airport as I booked my flights to Labuan Bajo.
Took a flight from Hyderabad to Kuala Lumpur, which was roughly around 5 hours of journey, a halt at Kuala Lumpur, and then followed by my flight directly to Labuan Bajo. Got served really hot, delicious, and fantastic meals on board, and can't wait to step into the land of Labuan Bajo. And here we are in the land of Komodo dragons. Let's quickly head to our hotel, the first stop and my most favorite of all, the local collection. It took us about 50,000 Indonesian rupees to get from our airport to the hotel, which is roughly around 270 Indian rupees, costing just around 10,000 Indian rupees per night. This is definitely one of the best accommodation options in the city. So we are here at the local collection hotel, which is again one of the most beautiful properties, and I'm so excited to see the room.
Wow.
After taking a good night's rest, we headed to our first destination, which is the Ranko Cave.
Hi guys, so that's my friend Anu.
And the entry ticket for there is 50,000 Indonesian rupees. Hidden on the coast of Flores, Indonesia, Ranko Cave is a secret world of salt water and stone. Crystal clear, sunlit and surreal. It's not just a cave, it's nature's private pool. Ranko Cave, undiscovered by most, unforgettable to those who find it.
Said, I see your face look like Kajol.
Oh,
India.
so you've
The
seen
classic
Indian movies.
role, yeah.
The next stop is Amelia Viewpoint. The entry to this viewpoint is free. High above Labuan Bajo, Amelia Viewpoint opens to a sea of golden hills and endless blue, where sunrise paints the sky and sunset sets the ocean on fire. It's more than a view, it's a moment you will never forget.
Hello, namaste and came to beautiful people. Today I'm here at Labuan Bajo and this is a small port towards our Finisi port, which will be a 2-night, 3-day stay.
I booked this Finisi port from Get Your Guide, which costs roughly around 30,000 Indian rupees per person. It's a 2-night, 3-day boat, includes all your meals. It is advisable to carry cash in such places.
So guys, here I am at this beautiful view behind me and this is the Padar Island. So the tour guide had taken about 6 lakh Indonesian rupees from me, that's for one person, and this includes all the entry tickets to all these, including the Padar Island, the Komodo National Park and stuff. Better to be here before time so that you get a good spot for your pictures. So this is the Komodo village and people are still inhabiting here. One of the very few places on earth where you can actually find Komodo dragons. The male Komodos live up to 60 years and the female ones get to live for around 30 to 40 years. So guys, this is the Pink Beach. You can come here for a while to snorkel, to take a swim, and if you're coming here via a tour, then your tour guide will also take care of your photography. It includes your drone shots, so expect some amazing pictures here. Of course, you can stop by for a beer or some coconut water. So here we have stopped at Strawberry Island, as the name suggests, because I can see patches of pink land. We are here to do some snorkeling. Hello, namaste, and Kim Cho, beautiful people. You are watching me, Isha Beyond Borders. Now, guys, I am here at this beautiful island called Takamakasar in Indonesia. So, this is a part of the Komodo Islands. I am in Labuan Bajo, and this is the last destination for today. From coral reefs below to bat-filled skies above, Keelong is a place where nature takes center stage. Keelong Island, a place of wonder where the wild still roams free and the skies remember how to dream. Hi guys, good morning. This is my last day on the boat and it's around 7 in the morning. We are going to Kelong Island for hiking and then we are also going to do a little bit of snorkeling.
So this is your quick itinerary for your next trip to Labuan Bajo.
Travel when you're young.
But please do wait, there's another video coming up with all the details of my experience. This video was rather short just to make it quick, easy, and accessible for you. But in the next video, there's going to be a lot more detail, a lot more fun, and a lot more experiences. So stay tuned and see you soon with the next video. Please do subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Lot of love, Isha Beyond Borders.